Did you have a good birthday yesterday? Is your name Jaden? Is that Jaden? Oh.
Baby.
Yeah, you're the baby. Who's your mama?
And mommy.
Right here?
And mommy.
Love you. What are you taking your socks off for? You taking your socks? Whoa. You can take your socks off. You having a good day? You ready to go night-night?
Go.
So, you ready to go night-night? Alright, let's go night-night. Whatever. Alright, get on the bed. Uh-oh. Oh, you're not hurt. What's that?